I said, yeah, what's up, yo? Nandito ako sa CR, man. Before hitting the mic, yo, have to clean it, man. Kasi iba-iba ang gumagamit. For hygiene. So, para hindi siya mag-short circuit, kailangan mo siya tuyuin, man. The foam. Now it's good. Salamat kay Dr. J, man.
Sabado night, medyo kabado